When it comes to the world of investment, one of the biggest dilemma, one of the biggest question every investor will have is where to invest, when to invest, how to invest. Friends, if you're a working profession, if you don't have enough time to research the right stock, then investing into the mutual fund is one of the best option. Nowadays mutual funds are getting more and more popular. When you invest into the mutual fund, you're getting three benefits. The first one is professional management. When you invest in a mutual fund, your mutual funds will be managed by the professional fund managers. They will be having 10, 15 years of experience in the industry. They will be having a team so that they can track every market. Automatically, they will add value to our portfolio. Second one is rupee cost averaging. When you invest in a mutual fund, when you invest via SIP mode, you no need to worry about the market volatility. So during the correction time, you will get more units. During the bull run, you will get less units. Automatically, in a longer run, your investment will get average. The third one is power of compounding. Albert Einstein says that power of compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. There is no doubt about it. When you invest early, when you invest regularly, when you remain invested for a long term, power of compounding will create miracles in long term. I would like to give one example. SBI Small Cap Fund, which was started in 2009, since inception, the fund has generated 22% of return, which is very good. If you have done 10,000 rupees SIP in the scheme since inception, now your investment value is 16 lakh, market value is 1 crore rupees. This is how, in long run, mutual funds will create a huge wealth. Thank you so much.